Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to connect Stripe to Base44. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply open the website like so. Then you want to go and click on Start Building on the top right side. Then you want to go and click on Apps on the top left side. After that, you want to select the project that you want to add the Stripe to. So here I'll choose this project. Then what you should do right now is to click on Dashboard on the top middle side. Then you want to go and click on integrations. After you click on integrations, you should search here in the connectors section for Stripe. Here I have it on the top, so simply click on use. After you click on use, you will now have to add example prompt. I will use the first prompt right here. After that, it will tell me that prompt added to chat. Just click on enter or press on this arrow right here. Once you press on this arrow, it will take a couple of seconds to think. Then after that, you can click on install Stripe. Once you click on install Stripe, it will take a couple of seconds also to think. Then it will show you this preview right here. Now you want to go and click on dashboard again. Then you want to go and click on integrations. And now here, as you can see, it says Stripe binding setup. Just click on claim and go live. Once you click on claim and go live, it will redirect you to Stripe. You just have to sign in using your account in Stripe. Then after that, it will give you some APIs. You just have to get back to this page and click on add your live API keys from Stripe. Then click on save API keys after you add them to this section right here. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.